Hello, how to solve for s from this equation? 1 over s is equal to 256 to the power of x. Solution. 1 over s is equal to 256 to the power of x. Let's multiply the exponent of both sides by 1 over s. 1 over s to the power of 1 over s is equal to 256 raised to power s to the power of 1 over s. If you have a raised to power n to the power of m equal to a raised to power m to the power of n equal to a raised to power nm. One over s to the power of 1 over s is equal to 256 to the power of s over x. This will cancel this. 1 over s to the power of 1 over s is equal to 256. But 256 is equal to 4 raised to power 4. And 1 over s to the power of 1 over s is equal to 4 raised to power 4. Then if you look at this, base 1 over s is equal to 4 and the exponent 1 over s is equal to 4. Therefore, 1 over s is equal to 4. But we are looking for the value of s. This is also over 1. Then let's cross multiply. 1 times 1 is equal to 4 multiplied by x. Then 1 is equal to 4x. Let's divide both sides by 4 divided by 4. This will cancel this. S is equal to 1 over 4. And this is the final answer. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. We have the given equation. 1 over s is equal to 256 raised to power s. Then when s equal to 1 over 4, here is 1 over 4 must be equal to 256 raised to power 1 over 4. The left hand side is 4 must be equal to the right hand side. 256 is 4 raised to power 4 to the power of 1 over 4. And from this root, a raised to power n to the power of m is equal to a raised to power nm. Then this will cancel this. The left hand side 4 is equal to the right hand side 4, which satisfies the given equation at s is equal to 1 over 4. Thank you for watching. Don't forget the step, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.